How do I troubleshoot my Nighthawk router's connectivity issues?
Hello and welcome to this troubleshooting guide. Today, we will be focusing on solving the connectivity issues that you might be facing with your Nighthawk router. This guide is meant to help you diagnose and resolve the problem on your own, without requiring any specialized technical knowledge.
Is your router on?
The first step in troubleshooting your router is to make sure it is powered on. Check to see if the power light is on and stable. If the light is off, try unplugging the router, waiting a few seconds, and then plugging it back in.
Is there an internet connection?
Once you've established that your router is on, the next step is to verify whether or not you have an internet connection. Try connecting to the internet with another device to see if the problem is with the router or your internet connection.
Is your router connected properly?
If you've confirmed that the internet connection is working, then it's time to check if your Nighthawk router is properly connected. Make sure all the cables are firmly plugged in and are in good condition.
Have you tried restarting your router?
Restarting or power cycling your router can solve a multitude of issues. To do this, unplug the power cord, wait for about a minute, then plug it back in. Allow the router a few minutes to restart before trying your connection again.
Have you tried resetting your router?
If the above steps didn't resolve your issue, you might want to consider resetting your router. This will return your router to its factory default settings, and you will have to set it up again. To reset your Nighthawk router, look for a small button labeled Reset, usually located on the back of the device. Use a paperclip or similar item to press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. Release it once the lights on the router start flashing.
Is your router's firmware up to date?
Lastly, make sure your router's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause connectivity problems. Log into your router's settings to check for firmware updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. So there you have it. These are some of the basic steps you can take to troubleshoot connectivity issues with your Nighthawk router. We hope you found this guide useful. If the issue persists, it may be best to contact Netgear's customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and remember, a well-maintained router is the key to a stable internet connection.